The child needs to feed the animal. The purpose of the activity is to sort the same objects. The child can draw on the sand with his fingers, developing motor skills.
Hello everyone, my name is Christina and you're watching Wooden Hearts YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss 5 ideas for your child's development, which he will like and which will be very useful. But first let's get a little familiar with the matter. What is the Montessori method? The Montessori method is a system of child's development based on the child's natural needs, inclinations and capabilities. The author of the method is an Italian pediatrician and teacher Maria Montessori. She laid the basis of the system on observing the development of younger children with whom she was working. Montessori set out activities with each child, based on his pace of learning, new skills and age interests. Having seen the success of the system during the education of children with special needs, the author adopted the method and proposed to use it for the education of all younger children.
The advantages of this method: often ideas for the development based on the Montessori method can be found right in your house. For kids, simple objects help to develop imagination and involve in a game in the way that adult couldn't come up with.
Now that we have an understanding of the topic, I suggest taking a closer look at 5 ideas for the development of your child.
Sensory bags. We put something different to the touch in the bags. Sand, beans, peas, buckwheat, print on a paper a photo of what was put in the bag, and invite the child to identify what is inside the bag. Accompany the game with a description of the materials. Pour sand into a flat container. The child can draw on the sand with his fingers, developing motor skills. You can also use straw and brushes for drawing. This activity develops fine motor skills and teaches to distinguish tactile sensations. Plasticine balls in 5 colors, a spoon and 5 colored containers. The child needs to pick balls of a certain color with a spoon and place them in a container of a right color. During the game, kid develops fine motor skills and coordination, learns colors and masters the skills of using cutlery. Sorting. You need a container with many small toys or other items. Kid takes them from one container and sort into different containers. The purpose of the activity is to sort the same objects. Draw the face of a mouse or any other animal on the box and make small holes. The child needs to feed the animal by putting the chosen snack, in example flakes, into the box.
Thank you for your attention. I hope this information was useful for you and you will try these games with your kids. In the following videos, we will talk more about practical activities based on the Montessori educational method. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the new ones. If you have any questions, write them down in the comments below and we will be happy to answer. So I'll see you in the next videos.